Prex, dito kayo sa bahay namin ngayon. Meron kayong bisita na Pilam galing sa Amerika. Oo, pala, sa Denmark nga pala.
Ayusin mo pag-interview, matay mali-mali na.
Gina, tarong mo rin.
Andali.
Magsisikasuta.
Oh.
Sugikan sa Denmark guys, mga Prex. Ato siyang pangutanon og kaning nay makamaubat mo in English.
Yeah. Go ahead. Well, no, because he ate.
Ano man?
No, but
Okay. But Ben magsis
No.
Usay ito Prex.
bala ka diskartin mo na mo. Apil-apilon ng tanim mo na. Wala, magpatabang oh. Pahala ka diha. Kapulingon mo na. Tudloy. Me. Tudloy si people sa how to speak English.
No.
English ang kaning ang kabaw. Be. Okay yan. How do you think my
I'm pupoy.
auntie? She's very purple and loving to you.
Always.
Ang tagal na pala first.
No, don't speak in Bisaya.
Mga pala no.
Speak in English. Oh.
I don't know how to speak English. I don't know how to speak English.
Oh. But
I speak little.
but try it.
At I understand little again also.
Oh, you try. Go ahead. Make it faster, double time.
Ano siya?
You would ask me what I like in the Philippines.
Oh, yeah, that is
How
that.
do you like in the Philippines?
I like that you eat rice every day.
So happy daw.
You have
Natawa daw, mali pa yun.
sorts of fruits.
Yeah?
I also like.
How's your neighbor? What do you think to your neighbor in over there?
Yeah, it's very very good
Very
because there are two neighbors.
yeah.
They are Aline's
Yeah.
brothers.
Yeah. Oh.
Mm.
And my place. What do you think my place? Very
I like
peaceful.
that it's growing wild.
Yeah, a minute race, no?
I also like when the disaster Odette
Yeah.
came, I had to rebuild our house.
Because
Yeah,
broke the audit, no?
broke it totally.
Yeah.
But then I also built
Your new house.
first
Yeah.
floor with a big terrace, and we are sitting there very often.
Country, you live in the Philippines until the end?
Some months
Ah,
every time. I'm not allowed
yeah,
to
the
stay
Philippines.
long time away from Denmark, from my government.
How many
How many
months?
only?
To come back your
Months only.
Denmark. How many months only?
Up to 6 months.
6 months.
Every
You come back
year.
to the Denmark again, and you come back there.
Hindi mo ko na pwede.
I make
You guys,
9, and then after half a year,
Yeah.
I come back again to my family.
yeah.
Yeah, because we also have 2 boys together.
Ah? You have boys there?
No, here.
Here.
No, I have
I think there in
a daughter and a son in Denmark.
How many
They are
babies
grown up now.
there? How many babies?
Where?
now.
I think
Here.
in Denmark. Nothing.
How many
No.
we have 2 babies together, but they are now 9 and 11 years old.
But there,
Mau lagi na siya.
may fiancé. Grabe. Sis, kasi sa sasyan. Sasyan! Lalo!
No split, no split. Di.
I make it rain.
Ay, sir!
You must have the rain.
Yeah, picture.
I have the ring.
Yeah.
Picture.
You-
have the ring.
You got one, Mark. Yeah, guys, Frex! Naka-interview na ako taga Denmark, Frex!
Ang dali.
Ay, sumat si Madadora? Yes!
Salamat.
So, salamat. Thank you very much. Thank
Ay, sa payan.
you very much, sir. Thank you very much. You are my friend. Always and forever.
You too.
Hey.